Let's make some General Tso. General Tso. Don't know how to say it, but I know how to make it. Let's do it. Some flour, cornstarch, a pinch of baking soda, garlic, a little bit of ginger, some rice vinegar, a little bit of sesame oil. It should be Szechuan wine, but I am using just regular cooking wine. My amount. Salt and pepper. A mix. Oh, some water. Just a little bit. It'll look like that. Let it sit for about 10 minutes. Let's make the sauce. Hoisin. Soy sauce. Garlic. Ginger. Szechuan wine. I'm just going to use cooking wine. Salt and pepper. I'll add a little sesame oil. And some red pepper flakes. We like it spicy, so don't add too much if you're not keen to that. I forgot, like, the most important part. Sugar. Sugar. Throw on some rice real quick. Throw your chicken bites in the fryer. We're going to double fry them to give them the crispy outer layer. Chicken's all done. Let's start throwing it together. Sauce in the pan. We're going to cook it a little bit until the sugar dissolves. Mix it until it starts to boil. Dissolve some of that sugar. Then we're going to put together some water and cornstarch, make a little flurry to dump in here. All right, rice. And then we're going to garnish with some green onions. Hold up. You make this?